Sanctuary California pisses off millions, new privilege for illegals outrages taxpayers. The state of California has taken the lead on all sorts of bizarre initiatives to help illegal immigrants. They have tied the hands of citizens and the police from reporting crimes committed by illegals. They are giving out free cars to illegals who already receive free public housing. Free cars. But this new development may take the cake, mainly because it appears to be gaining traction on a national level as well. Back in 2013, a California state bill allowed for illegal immigrants to legally practice law. And the cancer has spread. The Daily Wire reports. That bill came after Sergio C. Garcia, who passed the California State Bar exam, was declared ineligible for admission to the Bar Association because of his status as an illegal immigrant. U.S. Senator Kamala Harris, DCA, who at the time served as Attorney General of California, submitted in amicus curiae a brief supporting Garcia's application, arguing that his admission was not in violation of a federal law that prohibits illegal immigrants from obtaining professional licenses. After the bill was signed into law by California Governor Jerry Brown, DCA, Mr. Garcia was granted admission to the bar. California's brainchild is being viewed as a capital idea by the American Bar Association, as well as a pair of other states. At this year's annual meeting of the American Bar Association, delegates from state and local bar associations passed Resolution 108 in a voice vote that received only moderate opposition. The resolution, which was proposed by the ABA Law Student Division and embraced by the ABA Young Lawyers Division, recommends that state courts with authority to regulate admission to the bar admit undocumented law school graduates if they are seeking legal status. Following California's lead, New York and Florida have similarly allowed illegal aliens to legally practice law within their states. According to an article by Alberto Luperon, if the resolution is taken seriously by Congress, implementation of the association's proposal wouldn't require state courts to license undocumented lawyers, but it would make it clear that the federal government won't get in the way. Allow that to sink in for a moment. Those that can't be bothered with entering the country legally, and/or making sure their registration status is on the up and up, are allowed to practice law in certain states. There's a push to have that become a national thing. In essence, those that have already run afoul of the law will be given a complete mulligan so that they can help laws either be enforced or defended against. Does that make any sense whatsoever to anyone but the staunchest illegal immigration advocate? The supporting argument for Resolution 10C is that witnesses to a crime, and those asked to testify against someone accused of a crime, will be less likely to speak up if they fear they will be detained by ICE upon their arrival to court. Perhaps there's some truth to this argument, but courthouses are also perfect targets for ICE agents looking for illegal immigrants who have committed crimes beyond those concerning their continued presence in the country and who are often very difficult for authorities to locate. This is especially true in sanctuary cities, where local authorities refuse to hold illegal immigrants for ICE. Thankfully, with the current congressional makeup and White House administration, there's likely zero chance of either of these proposals becoming law anytime soon. No word from the left yet on whether the push to allow illegal immigrants to become Border Patrol and ICE agents is coming next. As long as we're living in bizarro world, it seems anything is possible. While there may well be zero chance that this comes to pass on the national level, it's nonetheless an incredibly frightening development. It's another example of an inch being given, and having that followed up by an entire mile being pilfered. Should we just completely forget about the laws on the books regarding immigration and let people just come into the country without anything resembling a verification or registration process? While few that argue for immigration reform come right out and say it so bluntly, that's exactly what they're advocating for. Why? We can never get a straight answer on that either. If you dare question the sense of disregarding the laws on the books, you're branded a racist, insensitive, and all kinds of other adjectives. If we allow these same illegal immigrants to practice law, what are the chances that they will help to enforce the immigration laws on the books? We'll call the chances of that zero, which is the same as the amount of sense that this proposal from the ADA makes. Thank you for watching this video. What do you think about this? Share this on Facebook and Twitter along with your comments.